Hello everyone, Bhavna this side. Today in this session I am going to talk about constructor overloading. Basically, constructor overloading is again a vital important role gets placed in object-oriented approach. This says that it refers to the use of more than one block of statements or bodies with the same name. Here in the case of constructor overloading says that in one particular class we have more than one constructor. As I told you, we have constructor that has the same name with the class name, but we really need to make sure they should have different function signatures. We cannot have two default constructors with the same name in the same class. We cannot have two parameterized constructors with both numeric values. We need to really take care of either the data type in those parameters should be different, or their number of parameters must be different, or otherwise their sequence needs to be different. So this is something that you really need to take care of. I'm super excited to tell you how it plays an implementation role in coding. So let's get started. So as you know that this is a student information class and I already have a constructor overloaded into one particular class, that's student information. This is one constructor that is a student information, and this is the another constructor that is a student information. You can see that student ID, name and age, there are 3 parameters and there is 0 parameter. So you can say that they have a different number of parameters, 0 parameter in this constructor and 3 parameters in this constructor. If by any chance you wanted to create one more constructor, parameterized constructor, you can create it, but not with the same sequence or the type of the parameter. For example, you cannot change the type of the parameter. You still want these 3 parameters, so that what you can do is you can change the sequence. What the sequence saying that here we need to first pass 2 integers and then student, then this constructor gets called up. Let me do this for student 3. So here we are saying that 3, this is student 3, 1003. So if I will pass, one thing more I wanted to tell you, let me not write this way. When I am using this enumeration, it is telling me I have 3 constructors. Which one to call? Default? No. Integer, string, integer? No. Integer, integer, string? Yes. So first I am passing integer, then I am passing age, and then I am passing Bhavna. Let's say I am writing my name only. So this will call the third constructor. For your ease, I can make a breakpoint which constructor to invoke. So you can see that debugging has been started. Student 1 display details. Let me do one thing, terminate this and do it again. So you can see that this is calling the first constructor. Then this is calling the display detail. Then this is, one second. So this was calling the first student, this was calling the default one, second one, and the third one was calling the integer, integer and string. So guys, we can also have multiple methods in the same class with different signatures that we will discuss in the case of polymorphism, that is a concept of overloading and overriding, comes up there. So stay tuned for that discussion also. Until next time, stay tuned. Thank you so much.